Did you know that just 10 minutes of stretching in the morning can boost your mood and energy levels for the entire day? Seriously, it's like coffee for your body, but without the jitters or that extra trip to the bathroom. Wink. Whether you wake up feeling like a creaky door or a snooze button champion, this routine is here to rescue your morning. Hi there, and welcome back to Healthy Habitat. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy morning stretch routine that'll leave you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the day. This routine is designed to boost your energy, improve your flexibility, and wake you up faster than your alarm clock. Let's be honest, we all hit snooze at least once, right? We'll guide you through each movement step by step, and the best part? It only takes 10 minutes. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's start unlocking your body's potential. The routine begins. Let's begin with a gentle neck stretch. Tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear toward your shoulder. Hold for 10 seconds, and don't forget to breathe. Feel that tension melt away? Now switch to the other side. Better already. Visual aid. 1. Neck stretch. 10 seconds per side. Next, let's wake up those shoulders. Shrug them up to your ears like you just heard some gossip. Then drop them down like you've decided you don't care. Repeat that 10 times. See? You're already winning the morning. Visual aid. 1. Shoulder shrugs. 10 repetitions. Okay, how are we feeling so far? Looser? More awake? Maybe slightly amused at yourself? That's perfect. This is all about progress, not perfection. Just keep moving and breathing. Your body is already thanking you. More stretches. Now, let's do a spine twist. Sit cross-legged, place your right hand on your left knee, and twist gently. Hold for 15 seconds. Think of it as giving your back a little morning espresso shot. Repeat on the other side. 1. Seated spine. Twist, 15 seconds per side. Time for the hamstrings. Stand tall, hinge at the hips, and reach for your toes. Or your knees if that's where you're at today. Hold for 20 seconds and don't forget to breathe. Bonus points if you don't groan on the way down. 1. Standing hamstring. Stretch, 20 seconds. And now my favorite, the butterfly stretch. Sit with the soles of your feet together. Press your knees gently toward the ground and hold for 15 seconds. If you feel like a pretzel, that's okay. Pretzels are awesome. 1. Butterfly stretch, 15 seconds. Look at you, already crushing your day. You've loosened up those stiff joints, boosted your energy, and given your body the wake-up call it deserves. Stretching every morning isn't just about flexibility. It's about setting the tone for the rest of your day. And hey, it beats scrolling through social media first thing in the morning, right? Remember, consistency is key. Make this routine part of your daily life, and you'll notice real changes, not just in your body, but in your energy and focus too. Oh, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Now go out there and own your day.